The JOROTO Exercise Bike with 40 pounds flywheel uses a magnetic resistance system that feels smooth and consistent, making it suitable for everything from light spinning to demanding interval sessions at home. Its heavy steel frame and inverted triangle design give the bike a very solid feel, so even intense standing climbs stay stable for riders up to a high weight capacity. The belt drive and magnetic setup run impressively quietly, which is a real advantage if you share a living space or like to ride early in the morning without disturbing anyone. Both the seat and handlebars adjust in 4 directions, allowing a wide range of rider heights to find a comfortable, joint-friendly position for longer workouts. Practical touches like the tablet shelf, water bottle holder, and secure toe cage pedals make it easy to follow classes, stay hydrated, and pedal confidently at higher cadences. Assembly is straightforward because much of the bike arrives already put together, and the included tools and clear guidance help you get it ready to ride in well under an hour.